Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wahoo Element Bolt. First, let's get your device set up. To power on your Element Bolt, simply press and hold the left side button for about 3 seconds. Next, grab your smartphone and download. Now let's talk about navigation. The Element Bolt makes it simple to follow your planned routes. You can easily sync routes from popular third-party applications such as Strava, Komoot, or Ride with GPS directly through the companion app. Once your routes are synced, select your desired course from the Element Bolt menu. As you ride, the device provides clear turn-by-turn directions on its display. Additionally, the quick-look LEDs along the top of the screen will flash to indicate upcoming turns, helping you stay on track without constantly looking at the screen. One of the best features of the Element Bolt is its customizable display. You can personalize your data screens to show exactly what you need, right from the Element Companion app on your phone. There are over 170 different data fields available, allowing you to tailor your view for any type of ride, whether it's a casual spin or an intense training session. During your ride, you can use the physical buttons on the right side of the device to zoom in or out on your data fields, making key metrics larger and easier to read at a glance. Beyond basic ride data, the Element Bolt offers advanced connectivity. It can effortlessly pair with a wide range of ANT+ and Bluetooth sensors, including heart rate monitors, speed and cadence sensors, and power meters, giving you comprehensive performance metrics. You can also receive smart notifications for incoming calls and text messages directly on your device, keeping you connected without needing to check your phone. For added safety and peace of mind, enable live tracking to share your real-time ride progress with friends and family, letting them follow your adventure from afar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.